Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lookup column sits at the left edge of your table. This matters because Vlookup searches left to right. Once prepared, click the cell where you want the result and type equals Vlookup. Then point to the lookup value cell. This is the key. It must match an entry in the left column. Make sure to highlight the full table array next so the formula can pull any column to the right. This sets up the function's inputs correctly. Next, you define the table array. Use $1, $D100 to lock it so copying works predictably. Then decide the call index num. Count columns from the left of your table and enter that digit, because Vlookup returns that column's value. Once done, choose range lookup. Use false for precise matches, because approximate can return unexpected results when data isn't sorted. Make sure to close the parentheses and press enter to evaluate. If copy to finish, wrap Vlookup with ifrr to present a clean message when no match exists. This improves readability. If you need to look up left of the key, switch to index/match or use XLOOKUP in modern Excel because Vlookup cannot search left. Make sure the lookup values share the same data type and have no stray spaces. Use trim or clean functions when necessary. If results still fail, double-check the call index num and that the table array is locked. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.